Why take this Griffin SAT course? I'll give you 2 reasons. This course is condensed and it is comprehensive. It is condensed in that I have boiled everything you need to know down to 24 videos. The motto is 24 videos to a 2400 or thereabouts. 24 videos towards a 2400. I have been tutoring for this exam in New York City for a decade. I have helped students get into Harvard, Yale, Princeton, Duke, Washington University at St. Louis, Dartmouth, Stanford, etc., etc. I know the game. You're in good hands. And I have taken my decade's worth of experience and condensed it into the single 24 video course that you need to ace this thing. I'm telling you, we will cover it all. It is comprehensive. In this course, we will study the plug-in method for math, how to make an educated guess, all the math you need to know in 40 minutes, the sentence completion methods, how to attack the long passages on the critical reading, how to study for vocabulary, how to approach the grammar most effectively, all the grammar rules you need to know for the exam, how to prepare to write a good essay, how to execute a good essay on the exam, and I also have a video on the psychology of test taking, and I will coach you on how to keep your body calm, your mind confident, and your spirit focused. This course is the course for you because it is comprehensive and condensed, and because I have the experience of 10 years of tutoring, frankly, ambitious New York City private school, high school students, and we together have had success, and you and I now are going to have success. Also, we're going to have a wee bit of fun, okay? I like teaching. It's my passion. I'm excited to share with you my experience and knowledge. That's it. That's why you should take this course, not to mention the beard. The beard is also helpful. Okay, I hope you sign up. Take a look at some of the free videos below, and let's get started.